Yes, student. Again, next very important reaction. This is called Cannizzaro reactions. Student, aldol reaction, aldol condensation reaction, and the Cannizzaro reactions. These three are very important reaction and for the point of exam. Okay, CBSE exam and even competitive exam. Okay, what is the difference between aldol reactions and Cannizzaro reactions? So first, let me check Cannizzaro reaction. When aldehydes having okay, do not having alpha hydrogen. This is the very important condition. Okay, remember student, in aldol the conditions were having alpha hydrogen, but here the condition is what? Do not having alpha hydrogen. Okay, when reacts in with strong alkali. Okay, this is the second condition. Okay, and how many percent? This is 50% strong alkali. So this is the second difference between aldol. In aldol, dilute alkali required, but in Cannizzaro, strong alkali required. Okay. Forms what? Carboxylic acid by oxidation as well. Second molecule reduced to alcohol. That is, it is a self oxidation reduction reaction. That means what? In a reaction, the same molecule itself oxidized as well as reduces. Therefore called self oxidation reduction reaction. Such a reaction, student, simply what we are calling, like in disproportionation reaction, the same molecule is getting oxidized as well as reduced. Here the same compound is getting oxidized, okay, while the another same compound is getting what? Reduced. Therefore called self oxidation reduction reaction. What are the important things there which you have to learn and remember? First condition is what? Do not have alpha hydrogen, and second condition is strong alkali, NaOH or KOH 50%, and what? Self oxidation reduction reaction. So these three are very important part. Now, which type of aldehyde do not having alpha hydrogen? So right here, C double bond OH. This is what? Functional group. So it does not have carbon. That is what? That directly H is attached. This H is not called alpha hydrogen. If it will attach with the carbon, then we will consider it as alpha hydrogen. But is not attached directly with what? Alkyl carbon, not carbonyl carbon. Okay, that means there is no alpha hydrogen. Similarly, one more molecule HCOH in presence of what? 50% NaOH. That is what you can call it concentrated NaOH. One of the molecule, that is this molecule, is getting oxidized to carboxylic acid. Okay, very first actually it formed HCOONA. This is called oxidation. Why it is called oxidation? One O is attached with it, and the second molecule is getting reduced, and the reduction of CH3OH, that is methanol. So this is called what? Reduction. But I told it forms what? Carboxylic acid. So how the carboxylic acid will form? When it is getting oxidized HOH, now it will oxidize to HCOOH. That is forming what? Methanol plus what? CH3 methanol plus methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. That means what, student? Aldehyde reduces itself as well oxidizes itself. The same reaction again can be given by benzaldehyde. So can we write the reaction for benzaldehyde? Yes. Benzaldehyde again do not have alpha hydrogen. How can we prove? C double bond OH. Now there is carbon. Here is a carbon, but along with this carbon no hydrogen is there. All of these carbon having hydrogen, but this one do not have hydrogen. Okay, because it is attached with benzene ring and its valence is completed 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, do not have alpha hydrogen. Do not have alpha hydrogen. So, when one more molecule is getting react with it, say one more molecule of benzaldehyde, C double bond O and what? H. One of the molecule, okay, is getting oxidized and one of the molecule is getting what? Reduced. So when this molecule is getting oxidized and then hydrolyzed, you can write what? C double bond O N A plus this molecule is getting reduced and the reduction is what? Benzene ring, this one, okay, and CH2OH. Okay, benzyl alcohol. This is called benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. And this molecule, when hydrolyzed in presence of acid, ultimately converts into benzoic acid. C double bond O and H, benzoic acid. Are you getting? So this is what? Due to reduction. And this one is what? Due to oxidation. So again here self oxidation and reduction reaction takes place. So in this manner the chemical properties, most important some chemical properties and their mechanism also and their differences, the distinguished taste, the conversion, each and everything is happened in all these reactions of today's 5 to 6 videos. Is it clear? Okay, make proper notes. Okay, watch these videos 2 to 3 times repeatedly. Whenever you can understand properly. Look at here the arrow sign. Okay, each and every time you must write the name of the reactant as well as the name of the product. Yes.